Yellow spinners, Alex Sukhov is here with something which would puzzle you for some time. We are going to break down the second part of Jeb-Like wiper combo. Though the second part is not going to be so wiper as the first one. If you have missed it, go and check it out. It is a really nice combo. So the second part would look like this. To learn it, you would need to know how to do index back, inverse sonic reverse, and pinky back. Also, you should be pretty confident with the rounds in general. This part is a low intermediate combo, but it also could take some time from you to learn, especially the last link. Anyway, let's get started, and to do so we need to move back for one link. As you remember, previous part ended with charge 1-2 to right in position. Now we need to change direction of pen's movement, and to my mind it looks not so good. Try to make as small pause changing direction as possible. Do linkage wiper reverse T1 1-2 to charge reverse 1-2, holding the pen by its grip, and when the pen moves above middle at this angle, take thumb away and raise middle, grabbing the mod in 1-2. The pen should continue moving in circle, doing nice charge reverse, palm down, holding the pen by grip. You may practice it for a while, making sure it looks fine. Then try to link wiper and charge. After that you do pass reverse at the same position, palm down, holding the mod by its grip and moving it horizontally. Pen makes circle motion passing from 1-2 to 2-3, and while it's keeping rotating, do another pass from 2-3 to 1-2. Also holding the pen by its grip and at the same time turning your wrist palm side as the pen passes to 1-2. At that time you should already hold the pen by body, very close to cap. Look closely, charge reverse 1-2, pass reverse 1-2, 2-3. And as the pen goes round, we turn the wrist palm side and grab it in 1-2. This movement should be pretty fast and your index should be flexible enough to not to interfere its movement, while the pen is in 2-3, and then straighten in time to grab it before it goes away. Because if you miss the right time, you wouldn't be able to grab it in 1-2 and make index back after that. Okay, let's repeat whole this part. Wiper reverse T1 1-2, charge reverse 1-2 and pass reverse 1-2 2-3, turning the wrist, pass reverse 2-3 1-2, index back. This part could take you a while to master. Watch it closely for several times to make sure you got it right. Then pause the video and practice it. And after that come back and we will continue. You will have much less problems with the learning combos and new tricks in pen spinning with a good pen mod. More you have them, better chances to fulfill all the aspects of our art. Take a look at penstock.net. Wherever you live you can get any stuff for pen spinners only with the fixed price for delivery all over the world. Now we need to link index back with inverse sonic reverse 1-2 2-3, and to do it you need to make sure you can do index back with full rotation around this finger. After you start index back, the pen should return to the very same position where it started this trick. Keep the middle bent. Then stop the mod with it and quickly move it away as you begin to perform inverse sonic reverse. Make sure also to keep your pinky low as you perform this trick. After your pen lands in 2-3, it continues to move round, raise your pinky and squeeze it in 3-4. Now the hard part. You will need to do pinky back or pinky back around. At this point it doesn't matter. And let's repeat this part. Index back, inverse sonic reverse 1 2 2 3, pass 2 3 3 4, pinky back. Just keep the moving in circles parallel to the floor and the palm down. Ending is going to look cool, but would be pretty hard to learn. First of all, of course, you should be comfortable with pinky back. If you are, connect it with the finger pass. Remember to hold the pen close to one tip, with the bigger part looking away from you. Now do charge reverse 2-3, keeping pinky bent, and when the pen would be placed outward to your fingers, raise pinky, lower middle, and shake your wrist to give enough initial inertia for the pen to go around. What do you think about the level of this combo? Is it intermediate, low intermediate, maybe up intermediate, maybe even beginner? Take part in the poll, the card will appear right here. Subscribe to the channel and push the bell to make sure you don't miss live streams and new cool combos and tricks and linkages also. A lot of different videos about pen spinning. May the style be with you. Bye.